So there's basically four different mortgages that are very commonplace in today's mortgage market. The first would be an FHA loan. This is typically for what would be considered a first-time home buyer. The minimum down payment requirement on it has one of the smallest amounts at 3.5% down. It generally would be for somebody who may have a little bit lower credit score, as credit isn't quite as dependent. It's what we consider our story loan. Why are we lending you money, and what's the story behind how you're going to be able to repay? Once again, it's more geared towards the first-time buyer, but can be used by anybody multiple times as long as you only have one at a time. The second type would be a VA loan, or a Veterans Administration loan, and this is for either current active duty military, veterans of our armed services, or National Guardsmen and reservists. This allows for 100% financing and is absolutely a fantastic loan type, and very similar to FHA in that credit score isn't as important. There is no down payment requirement on it, and frankly, a lot more selling agents are starting to understand the value in accepting VA offers today. The third type would be a regular conventional conforming loan. These would be the loans that would be considered a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan. These loans vary as far as the maximum loan amount based on county. In higher cost counties such as Orange County, LA County, San Diego County, the limits are higher. In regular cost counties, the maximum loan amount is $417,000. These require a minimum of 5% down, and this would be your traditional type loan program. The fourth and final bucket would be what is called a non-conforming, otherwise known as a jumbo mortgage. These typically require 20% down, do require larger down payment amounts, typically starting at a minimum of 20% down, and also have liquid reserve requirements to make sure that there are reserves left over after escrow closes to make sure that if something happens, you are able to make your payment over the life of the loan.